Tell me when you're starting.
It is.
Oh, okay. These are very, very hot
jalapeno peppers
that
we got here
in the freaking fridge for
for
over
like a year.
For over a year.
Okay.
And we're gonna have a contest to see who can eat the many most, and we're probably gonna die, and I'm probably gonna throw up. So
yeah,
you might,
our bathroom's gonna be full.
If I start running, you might want to get out of the way.
All right.
Starting with the little ones first.
Just put the whole thing in your mouth.
Yeah, just eat it. All right, one, go.
Yeah.
Oh, it's peeing in your sink. Oh my god, it's freaking hot. It's hot. I swear on my leg. Oh my god. I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh my god.
Please don't throw up. Drink, you freak. I hope I just got that.
Mommy, papito. I want another one.
Hurry, this keeps gonna run out of. Okay.
I ate 6. Wait, I ate 5. She ate
4.
3. You ate 3. She ate 3. I have one in my mouth is dying right now.